Your PowerGlide Pet comes with a handful of useful features. We'll show you how to use them. You have the option to use the brush roll when you need it and turn it off when you don't. This is done with the brush roll on-off switch. When cleaning carpet, turn the switch on. For vacuuming hard or delicate surfaces, you can turn the brush roll off. Another helpful feature on your PowerGlide Pet is the variable suction valve, which controls the suction power. This feature is helpful when cleaning a variety of surfaces. For full suction, twist the valve clockwise all the way. For cleaning delicate carpets, curtains, rugs, or if the vacuum is difficult to push or pull, lower the suction power by twisting the valve counterclockwise. The crevice tool and extension wand come in handy for hard-to-reach places. To use the crevice tool, remove the hose from the base, then grab the extension wand. The crevice tool is stored inside the extension wand, and attach one or both of the tools to the end of the hose. These helpful features will come in handy whenever you clean.